We're exploring doctor. I have an appointment with the doctor tomorrow. The doctor examined the patient carefully. She wants to become a doctor one day. The doctor prescribed medication for the infection. Before surgery, the doctor explained the procedure thoroughly. He was referred to a specialist doctor for further tests. The doctor analyzed the lab results to make an accurate diagnosis. Doctors play a crucial role in public health and safety. The experienced doctor seamlessly handled the complicated surgical procedure. We're exploring symptom. Fever is a common symptom of the flu. She visited the doctor due to strange symptoms. Coughing can be a symptom of various conditions. The patient presented symptoms of a rare disease. It's crucial to monitor any new symptoms closely. Fatigue and headaches are symptoms of stress. Recognizing early symptoms can lead to timely treatment. The array of symptoms complicated the diagnosis process. Psychosomatic symptoms often arise from mental health issues. We're exploring pharmacy. I need to pick up my prescription from the pharmacy. Can you guide me to the nearest pharmacy, please? She works at a pharmacy in the city center. The pharmacy closes at 8 p.m., so hurry up. Did you know that this pharmacy offers free health advice? My uncle runs a small independent pharmacy downtown. The pharmacy's innovative system reduces prescription error significantly. Her research in pharmacy has contributed to groundbreaking treatments. Despite regulations, online pharmacy services are becoming increasingly popular. We're exploring hospital. She went to the hospital for a checkup. The hospital is open 24 hours a day. He called an ambulance to take her to the hospital. The nearest hospital is 5 miles away from here. My uncle works in the hospital as a surgeon. Hospitals aim to provide the best patient care possible. The hospital's advanced equipment ensures accurate diagnoses. After the operation, she recovered quickly at the hospital. Hospital administrators face numerous challenges in patient management. We're exploring appointment. I have a dentist appointment tomorrow morning. She missed her appointment because of traffic. Can we schedule the appointment for next week? The doctor's appointment was rescheduled to Thursday. Please confirm your appointment time by email. He waited an hour past his appointment time. Her appointment with the specialist took longer than expected. Due to an emergency, the appointment was abruptly canceled. After missing his appointment, he was charged a cancellation fee. We're exploring medicine. I take my medicine every morning. She bought cold medicine from the pharmacy. The doctor prescribed new medicine for my allergies. Never mix different medicines without consulting your doctor. He studied medicine to become a pediatrician. It's important to follow the medicine dosage instructions. The medicine greatly improved his chronic pain condition. Traditional medicine often uses herbs for treatment. She specializes in cardiovascular medicine and research. We're exploring prescription. The doctor gave me a prescription for antibiotics. Can you fill this prescription at the pharmacy today? I lost my prescription, so I need a new copy. This prescription might cause drowsiness, so avoid driving. The prescription needs to be renewed monthly by my physician. Make sure to follow the dosage instructions on the prescription label. After the diagnosis, she received a detailed prescription plan. The pharmacist can suggest a generic alternative to your prescription. Her prescription for controlled substances required additional authorization. We're exploring treatment. She received the best treatment for her illness. His treatment was successful and he's recovering well. New treatment greatly reduced her symptoms. Many patients travel abroad for cancer treatment. The doctor recommended a different treatment plan. They discussed the potential risks of the treatment. Early treatment can significantly improve the prognosis of the disease. The treatment's side effects were more intense than anticipated. Phytotherapy is an alternative treatment gaining popularity worldwide. We're exploring health. Eating vegetables is good for your health. Regular exercise can improve overall health. Drinking water daily benefits your health significantly. She takes vitamins to maintain her health. Mental health is just as important as physical health. Health insurance is crucial for unexpected medical expenses. Researchers are studying the health benefits of meditation. Socioeconomic factors dramatically impact public health outcomes. The global health crisis requires coordinated international response. We're exploring clinic. I visited the clinic for a flu shot today. The clinic closes early on Fridays at 3 p.m. She works at the local clinic as a nurse. The clinic provides free checkups for children every month. After the accident, he was immediately taken to the clinic. Visiting a clinic regularly can help prevent health issues. This specialized clinic focuses on treating rare eye diseases. The clinic employs cutting-edge technology to improve patient care. A well-equipped clinic is essential for practicing effective medicine.